I'm going to go over a set of insoles, not just any like type of insoles. These things are absolutely amazing, everybody. Let me just show you. I have been using these for about maybe a month, maybe 3 weeks straight. They've been in my shoes here. These are my cross trainers that I pretty much do everything in, whether it's trail running, running on pavement or whatever. And if you're like me and you've got a high arching foot, my feet have a high arch to them, and I get a lot of pain like in my foot, and I'd look for the perfect type of insoles that have a good arch support. And what I'd come across are these TWINTRUNKs, I think is how you would say it. Yeah, TWINTRUNKs. And just looking over here, they came in this whole package, and check it out. They were nice enough to give you a little massage board. How about that? That's like a little massager board for your foot. But let me just show you the insoles here. You know, I've got my cross trainers here. These are the Adidas cross trainers. I don't know the exact name of these things, but let me show you the insole. I actually put them right on top of the insole that came in my shoes. And looking over these, look at that arch support, everybody. It's a very high density, like, feels like carbon fiber. I don't know if it's carbon fiber, but it sure does feel like it. Has like a soft spot right there. And then it has a massage point that hits this little pressure point right in the center of my foot. I love that right there. At first, it kind of felt like something's in your shoe, but it disperses like your weight down and it puts a pressure point right there, and it's very soft right there. And like I said, look at how they arch up right there. And they are trimmable. They are fit to size. I wear a size 9, and these fit to size. They just slid right in my shoes perfectly. But just so you know, they do say that you can trim them down. This is a breathable type material. Great for runners, anybody playing sports, working. If you're like me and you're on your feet pretty much all day, this is something I highly recommend. You can see how they fit down in there, and I have been running these. It's hard to describe like how something feels. All I can do is just tell you that these are the best insoles I've ever had. I've bought those Dr. Scholl's ones, that like the gel ones. I'm not doing the gel ones anymore after getting a pair of these, the TWINTRUNKs. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the TWINTRUNKs insoles, sport insoles with foot massager. See y'all in the next video.